How tires are replaced. So we got our wheel, we have a bad old tire, we gotta change it. So first, let out the air by taking out the valve stem. It unscrews from inside. You gotta have a special valve stem screwdriver. Once that's out, it'll drain all the air out, and then we could use a tire machine to push in the outside of the tire. They call it a bead. They call it breaking the bead. So we're gonna use this to push the tire off of the rim, and we're gonna do both sides. And then once both sides of the front tire are pushed off the bead of the rim, we're going to do the back. Push off both sides on the rear, and this will make the tire sit loosely on the rim, and then it can be removed using the second part of the machine. Now we're going to lock this rim on the machine so the rim doesn't move. And I'm going to bring this tool over here from the machine. This will help me get this tire. I guess it's a pry bar. It goes under the tire here, and then we're going to spin the rim, and with it like that, it'll remove the top of the tire, the first bead. Then the same procedure for the bottom. This will spin the rim again, and it'll remove the tire from the rim. Once that's done, we could take this tire and discard it according to state ordinances. Now with our new tire, we're going to lube the inside. You can never have too much lube. Lube both sides of the tire on the inside. This will make it so it can go on the rim easier. We'll be using the tire machine tool to put it back on the rim. Kind of the reverse procedure of what we did to get it off of the rim. Put this air hose on the valve stem here, and then burst air into the tire to kind of push it back. Push both beads up onto the rim, the lip of the rim, and then it fills up with air, and then it will pop in place on the edge there, just like that, and then it's good. Fill it to the correct pressure that the vehicle recommends on the tire label, and all done.